Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Body Prakosh Nutrition. That's Praveen and I'm Mehak here. And yes, we are back again with another amazing salad for you guys. So today we are going to be doing an avocado chicken salad. It's my favorite though.
Yeah.
So I have a mixing bowl, 2 silicone mixing spoons, pink Himalayan salt by Urban Platter, black pepper, microgreens. This is chicken which I have already poached. The video is about, so I have poached the chicken and then I have shredded the same. 2 tablespoon sesame seeds, 2 tablespoon lime juice, half cup chopped parsley, half cup chopped celery sticks, 2 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 1 whole avocado mashed, American Garden green olives, basmati vinegar, and there we go. First we have 1 cup microgreens.
Alright, let's go. Polyphenols found in microgreens makes it a great source of antioxidants. So the benefits is that it can minimize the risk of Alzheimer's, it can lower the risk of diabetics and certain types of cancer.
Half cup of celery, 1 cup of shredded poached chicken, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds.
So the few benefits of sesame seeds are it will help you to reduce blood pressure, improve the heart health. At the same time, it has a function to improve the bone health.
2 tablespoons lime juice, that's the higher source of vitamin C. 1 whole avocado mashed.
One of the great source of fats available, and the great thing is about it's a fruit. It's known as a fruit. So the one fruit probably you can use it when if you're following a low carb diet or a ketogenic diet.
2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of Himalayan salt, 1 tablespoon basmati vinegar, 1 tablespoon green olives, and lastly fresh pepper. Done. So our salad is ready. I'm just gonna quickly whip it nicely and gonna give a toss. Mix all the seasoning together. Mix all the avocado together. You can also put it in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes so that the salad becomes nice and cold. And the salad is done. Good to go. So guys, our healthy chicken avocado salad is ready and good to be eaten.
Yes, so it's high in protein, high in fats. At the same time, the most important thing is about fiber, which we most of the time don't get it. And we've got all those things in the plate. All you want to do that, just eat it. So please do subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, and hit the bell button that to get the intimation on when you have a new video coming up. At the same time, we got 4 videos coming every week that you want to make sure that you share with your friends that even they get to go fit. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you in the next video.
See you soon.